DMCH lacks clean and hygiene environment at its premises. Non-availability of free medicines transcend the local medicines available at a hospital. Awareness training cum vaccination program organized by government sheep and goat breeding farm at Koilamati. SRYC conducts social work at Sotrecho village on Thursday. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news in details. Karbi Anglong District and its adjoining districts are solely dependent on Deephu Medical College and Hospital for their treatment. But non-availability of free medicines transcend the total medicines available at the hospital pharmacy. It was reported that the condition of Deephu Medical College and Hospital is an inadequate state, both internally and externally. It had caused a lot of trouble to the patients as well as the guardian and attendants of the patients. So to get the actual and factual report from the ground, our correspondent had paid a visit to the MCH on Friday. In order to maintain a clean and hygiene living environment, the government of India had launched a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to ensure cleanliness in every site. But when our correspondent visited the ground, it was shocking to learn that the reports pouring from the various sources turned out to be true. The premises were littered with plastics. Water lodging was seen at some blocks, due to which the air at the premises were contaminated.
Karbi Anglong Live team pen ladak Jessamit Nongnam ka thang klong ni hang ni jang bom pen Nongnam ka thang klong lawang so Deephu Medical College along sido Deephu Medical College along lani pi lawang so ladak Jessamit by ke Mirbari la poson si alang litum drainage system se tami ke se mar pon tami Mirbari ke akela mo ladak ke ter ki air pen chenglok la poson jo si dak ke ter ki air pulote ladak ke ajala ke sus tami nilo ladak pen si na la bangso drain la bangso landfill pot pot ke kathai beda jadi si non nilisita mi karja ang ni mang ho pen dune.
It is notable that the old healthcare center at Deephu, popularly known as Deephu Civil Hospital, was awarded as the cleanliest and best civil hospital performing at the state. But right after the old healthcare center was demolished and the MCH started to function, the legacy of being the cleanliest and best civil hospital seems to be diminishing. So far, no sign of hygiene and cleanliness could be seen.
Guwahati Medical College punon, Deephu Medical College pustami do hadak stame aprang man langdam pulote Deephu rong sopi hello asamang rong ke Deephu Civil Hospital ke dubom Deephu Civil Hospital hello kangjang nai kang thir nai ke minai pusi nong nam stame long puno la pe hadak ke meo pusi penangana ratun chini namu sitame Deephu Medical College non included pen kopi posi non anda la bangso adim non ada la person si non ke grupo parnama li da keso tum ke chimang pulote elang itum bathroom sidame lang facilities aport te pen lang long le la person si elang itum penangana keso.
The guardians and attendants of the patient admitted at the hospital, while speaking to us, appeals the authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to give them a helping hand, as they had informed that the authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council often extends their helping hand to the ailing patients coming from various parts of the district for their treatment. Looking at the current scenario of Deephu Medical College and Hospital, with this contaminated air, loads, sewage water at the premises, unhygienic lavatories and litters all around, there is a possible chance of contracting new sickness instead of being healed at a hospital. Therefore, the MCH is in need of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to intervene into this matter and also review the legacy of once being the cleanliest and best healthcare center of the state. Bikram Taran's report from Deephu for Karbi Anglong Live. Awareness training cum vaccination program was organized by government sheep and goat at Kasumari LP School, Sartheronghang Village, Koilamati on 8th of July, Friday. There are 30 departments in total working under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Each departments are working at its best to serve the people. Likewise, the government sheep and goat breeding firm are also working restlessly to uplift the people in its sector by encouraging them to be self-reliant. With the rising rate of unemployment in the district, people had to find lots of difficulties for their living. Therefore, to combat this issue in the district, the government sheep and goat breeding firm Silonijan, in association with Veterinary Department, Koilamati and Karbi Farmer Association, jointly organized an awareness training and vaccination program at Kasumari LP School, Sartheronghang Village, Koilamati on 8th of July. The event was presided by Mohan Bey, President of Karbi Farmers Association, and the introduction of the guests was done by Amarjit Dimung, General Secretary of Karbi Farmer Association.
Pindak Kasumari LP School long Koilamati Hawar Halo Karbi Farmer Association penisi alam thin along nang asialam thin nang lesi Lutong vaccination program lepen botering program tum dakseng holo itu mau siap komplain kli bangla loje dak Koilamati Hawar rong sol tum beach pangreng biang tora me kedo pam jega biling ke me long me kedo person situ mo komplain nang liban si dong veterinary han contact pen nilutum dak haking pilo.
Joseph Bey, Finance Secretary of KFA, Dr. Anthony Bordeloy and Prodip Simon from Veterinary Department, Langtuk Hanse, Village Headman, Stephen Ronghang, President of KFA Nili Branch, Bikram Tagbi, President of Koilamati KFA Branch, Longbir Kathar, Jonasin Ingti, Serdihun Kathar P, and many other dignitaries attended the event. A total of more than 50 individuals participated in the workshop. It was informed that the sole purpose of hosting this event is to bring awareness among the citizens in combating and overcoming various flush and diseases that could possibly destroy the livestock.
Langtuk Hanse gaon ইয়াতে আমি goat pox vaccination goat pox মানে ছাগলীৰ সালত হোৱা এটা বেমাৰ সৰু গুটি গুটিকে উঠে মাৰ্বলৰ নিচিনা তাৰ পাছতে সেই বেমাৰটোৰ দেখাৰ পাছতে তাতে স্কিনটো উলাই যায় উলাই গৈ পেলাই তাত আকৌ মাখিয়ে পোক দি পেলাই অলপ বহুত বেয়া অৱস্থা কৰি দিয়ে তো তেনেকুৱা বেমাৰ যাতে নহয় এই গাঁওখনত বা এৰিয়াটোত সেইকাৰণে আজি আমি ভেটেৰিনাৰী ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ পৰা আহি গাঁৱে গাঁৱে আমি এই গাঁওখনত আমি ভেকচিনেশ্যন প্ৰগ্ৰাম ৰাখিছোঁ লগতে এটা এৱাৰনেছ প্ৰগ্ৰামো ৰাখিছোঁ যাতে কেনেধৰণে এই ছাগলী বা আৰু বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ বেমাৰ পোহনীয়া জীৱ জন্তুৰ যিখিনি বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ বেমাৰ নহয় তাৰ কাৰণে যিমানখিনি ভেকচিনেশ্যন কৰিব লাগে বা বেলু দৰৱ খাব লাগে সেইখিনি আমাৰ গাঁৱৰ ৰাইজক জনাইছোঁ।
Samson in this report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. On 7 July, Sotrecho Youth Club along with the villagers initiated a social work at Sotrecho village for a clean and hygienic environment and also to ensure the roads are not covered with turf. It is notable that Sotrecho village is the largest Karbi village in Bokajan. Members of Sotrecho Youth Club on this occasion organized mini awareness program along with a cleanliness drive. The awareness program was presided by Anand Killing, Gangbura, Baliram Kathar, retired SK along with other dignitaries attended the event to grace the occasion. Baliram Kathar, retired SK, while interacting with the villagers, expressed his suggestions on how one could maintain cleanliness and farm the house for a sustainable future. More than 60 villagers volunteer the cleanliness drive. Anantaram's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for your time in watching our news. Have a good day.